سلام سلام واشت که یکی دیگه چه منوکی ویدیو هم پارت 14 में गदाफार طبق معمول اگر تازه मैं वीडियो गेंदे अलग यूट्यूब तो का इंस्टाग्राम तो का मैं वीडियो लाइक करने कमेंट पहले मैं व्हाट्सअप अगर तुम्हारे पसंद है मैं वीडियो मैं चैनल हम सब्सक्राइब करने यूट्यूब बेगा पेज इंस्टाग्राम फॉलो दاشته به یک ویدیو جدید یر کنه یا بازی جدید که لوتن بولی گیم پلی بگیرین چود صحیح برین بعد اگر کسی پجا करे कि गेम प्ले बाजियाँ बोले खुशी के या गेमर ऐसा कोल्लन मैं कानल आया معرفی کنه تا मैं कम्युनिटी و کانال مستر بودم خب دیگه گشتر ابر ندیم بریم که یه پارت هم با هم دیگه بگیم خب پارت قبلی تجاد کن کشی هما قلب ما نگهبان آرد چوکیوتی درمان کو نیم باید بریم و پارت قبلی دی شمشیر هم ما گفتن شمشیرهای خود کریتوس که قبلا بونی گفتی لگه بچاره ای لیول 2 ما رسیم تگن شمشیر نقش و نگار گرگن هر سری هم که مثلا لیولی بره بستر مثلا تبرچه که لیول 4 من نقش و نگار گرفته هم قدرتی که استری بی هم شیکتر بیان خفن نیدی چو طلایی مدل بی خب برگرده به قایقه کجا الان قایقه اگر رو جاله داره یه چیزی نی بده که چیزی نیستیم قایق کجیم خب वो तो बात दुश्मन है ना इधर शायद बदत के ना खप 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 सही है वक्त
Ah, see? The boat washed ashore. Someone did call a serpent earlier.
Get in. I will pull. You are quiet.
ساکته
Are
گوشی
you
تو
not better?
بهتر نه زنم ام
I know you
گمان
overheard my
کنات
talk with
کنم
Freya.
گوشی
I
مثلا
think you
تو منی ابر
understand,
کو
but you do
آزاد
not.
گرش کتی هم بله تو فکر کنه متوجه بله نه در واقع
Why do you say nothing?
بچه هیچ نگوشه
You said I was cursed.
اساس
You think I'm weak because I'm not like you.
گوشی تو فکر کنه من
I know I was never
ضعیفم
what you
خاطر
wanted.
که طرف من دوست نبی
But
مثلا تو من
after all
نبود
this, I thought
بل بعد از چیزایی که پشت سر
maybe
گذاشتیم
things were different.
فکر کنن که تو متفاوت فکر
You
کنه
do not know everything, boy.
تو سجی چیز نزان پسر جان
No. But
نه
at least I know the truth now.
بله لاغل انی حقیقت زانم حقیقت
The truth. I'm a god, boy.
من خدایم
From another land far from here.
از یک سرزمین دور از دم
When I came to these shores, I chose to live as a man.
من گوشی
But the
یه
truth
نمایش
is,
انتخاب کده چون من وقت انتخاب
I was
کده
born a god.
کردم من یه
And so
خدای
are you.
دنیا که انچو که تو
Boy,
پسر
have you nothing to say?
انگه چی نیکوشه
Can I turn into an animal?
من تونه تبدیل به حیوان
Can
بگم
you turn into an animal?
تبدیل به حیوان
No.
نه فکر نکنم
No, I do not think so.
my god.
मैं खुदा नहीं हूँ इसे
Mother knew?
माता मैं के जानता आई हूँ
No.
खुदा इतना
She was mortal, but she knew my true
ना
nature.
आई मोर्टल ना था ना एक निजात
Oh
ये
my
तुम्हारा
god.
ना खुदा है
Why did you wait so long
ये
to tell
در
me?
مورد خدایان یونان باستان هم افسانه خدایان یونان باستان در واقع گفتم که کراتوس
I
یک
had hoped to
کما
spare you.
خدایان یونان باستان خدای
Being a
جنگ
god, it
داستانی
can be a lifetime of anguish and
که اگر
tragedy.
قبلی بازی چهارتا ببینشی
That is
یک
the
و
curse.
دو و سه کراتوس چه خدایان
What sorts of things can I do?
یونان عصبی بیو درستن
Can I
یک
fly?
به یک کشی به خاطر
Turn
اینکه ای
invisible?
خانواده چه محافظت نکتا ای خانواده
I feel
کشارینت
like a god.
انتقام یه چه
I
درستم
do not know the reach of
ادامه
a
هم
god,
که گندگیم که یه سردمینه
but over time,
ادا هم
learn.
که پدا خانواده تشکیل ده کی واجه کار چوب کنی
You sure I can't turn
بعد
into a wolf?
You are welcome to surprise
بازم
me.
دیگه کم کم می
Is this why I hear
اما
voices sometimes?
گذشته ای در واقع
Are
ویل
you sure
نکن
you've
لا
never heard
چی
anything?
گذشته
Not as you do.
در جریان
That's no
سنگین
surprise.
کانتی
Every god is unique.
نیمان رو که
So,
ادامه همشه رو
maybe
بگیم
I won't get strong like father, but I'll have abilities on my own.
You already do, laddie. Your faculty for language is extraordinary for one so young. Time alone will tell what else you'll become capable of.
So you knew all along.
I did, lad. But I've known more than my share of gods.
Me too, apparently. I wonder who else knew I was a god. Freya for sure. Rock and Sindri?
They do not need to know.
شما لوتم بگوشم فریا و جادوگر نه راکن
he
شورا ما دویم
Is that why he's
که
after us?
اصلیان در اصلی
Do you
گفتم
know him from
اما
before?
اصلا یعنی
The day of
اپدیت
your
کن
mother's funeral was the
اما
first
اما
I
دوی
ever
کتوله هم
saw
شد
Balder. That is the truth.
چون بگیریم
We don't have to go right
آله
back to Pierce
اون
Hall,
دیگه
do we?
خب
we're gods.
بریم
We can do whatever we want, right? What do you really feel like doing right now?
I will show you.
Let's try this again, without
Oh.
interruptions.
بریم که دیما
Here we go again.
yeah one
Read it.
Death itself I swallow, to spring forth life tomorrow.
Oh, I like that one.
The bull's answer. In plain sight.
It says Earth.
Read it.
Death itself I swallow, to spring forth life tomorrow.
Go.
Yeah. I wish I'd known I was a god in Alphon. I wouldn't have felt so bad about killing so many elves.
Well, I'm not sure that's the lesson.
You've done nothing to regret. The elves forced their affairs upon us.
No, I get it now. We had god things to do, and they were in the way, dragging us into their little problems.
Again, are we just leaving that there?
I mean, just knowing we're gods makes me feel so much stronger.
Maybe you feel a little too good right now. With power comes a big choice, lad. You can either serve yourself, or put your godhood in the service of others, like Tyr did.
People really loved him, huh?
Aye. The god
اذا
of
یه
war
سرزمین تو که خدای جنگ همی
fought for
تیره
peace.
که نام میگیرگی
had a reputation for being heroic and lawful, using his power and knowledge to stop wars rather than
که
start them.
دو دانه حالا قدرت که ای
Once in a
زمانی
moon,
بیتون
it's
و
been
تو
known to
مثل که
happen,
درگیر
yes.
که ای لوٹتا واسطه گری بکن سول برقرار بکن
This one mentions places I've never heard of. Seems Tyr really liked to travel.
Tyr believed the mind, not might, was key to preventing war and chaos. And he also knew visiting other cultures would give him perspective staying in one place could not. While Odin always hoarded knowledge, guarding it jealously, Tyr was open and sharing with his learning and his wisdom. For this, mortals adored Tyr, showing their love by bringing him gifts the world over.
So, whatever happened to Tyr?
Odin came to regard him as a threat to his rule. He suspected Tyr of collaborating to aid the giants instead of helping to steal their secrets for the Aesir. Same thing he accused me of, frankly. Though in Tyr's case, I believe he was right.
You think Tyr was helping the giants?
I do. He felt responsible for the suffering visited upon them by Odin. I suspect he had something to do with helping them cover their tracks.
The missing Jotunheim tower.
Correct. Whatever happened to it, I believe it could only have been done with Tyr and the giants working together.
خب یه نیمه بترم.
Where is this black?
Don't know. I've never been in here.
The stone! That has to be it.
اوه چیه؟
Naturally.
یهی چه خفن.
Didn't think it would be that easy.
No. Was kind of hoping though. So what now?
تو بسته. خب اینی من رای پسی
Rather a
داریم چی؟
trap for the winds of hell. But where do you think the winds are?
The ones of what?
Oh, we forgot to mention that. When you were sick, we went to Hellhide to get your cure.
You did?
Terrible experience, by the by. I picked up a new trick, though.
Winds of hell یعنی آینی باد جهنم که یه برد بجان
We'll get back to the city.
آیا اول برای اردلو کاتو گونه نه تو wind of چی؟ باد چی؟
Well, that's unfriendly.
فرندلی نه باید ردی کنه دیگه
Small passages on either side. Perfect for the boy.
خب یاب
Careful, brother. Rhea's not here to bring you back if you're cutting through.
خب چه خفنه इधर एक निशानी है गादाफार बादी के अलते रगनारा के बल बाद आई बाजियां बरा यह दर मोड़ दे गादाफार बातरी के दाखिले मिस्र नाउदी खुदा ने मिस्र भी गेंदे अगर दिक्कत कने यानी वती पेसरी की मिची गंती सर गुज़श्ती आए अकूज़े चक्कर దగ్గర వచ్చి సర్గుదర్శనం చూడదారు कि మగేంది యజమాన चीज़ें हम कि मैं कुछ गया था हमें से खुला है कि ये और दलुक सारे खुला है मिस्री है
Okay.
يا مزيه तुम्हारा خیل زیاد بعد از مرگ کانی شایعه یا پرانتر بیتگان تازه جالب باید ببین بعدشی حالا رگناراک هم رنگ آیم
That's from a great desert land, very far. Oh my, yes. Many, many gods. As simple as that.
Ay, a ver, sí. Oh. Damn it.
Only two left.
واو جا خالیه دستنی گر
That was exhausting.
خوشمان آمد جا خالیت
What
خوبه
did you see in that vault that set you off?
It is not important.
Seemed important to you.
It was a rash impulse. You need not dwell on my failings.
Wow. That was almost an apology.
یا یار
Well, I guess you do like to smash pottery.
अरे بگیری دیگه رد بیشو دور بیرم دور بیرم دور بیرم دور بیرم
Stands to reason the second ring to behave like the first. Just need to capture the
چی
winds.
باید برم آی
Ready yourself, boy.
باید خرام هیچی هیچی آه
Look, I just want to know the truth from you. Okay? I don't care if it hurts me or not. I want to learn. Just because you hate being a god doesn't mean I have to.
More small passages.
I know. Go.
I can't watch, brother. Good luck.
oh no
And I thought those saws were scary. Look! It's the wolf giants. Skull and Hati.
That's right. The bringers of day and night.
Ragnarok begins when they catch the sun and moon. Right? Don't you enjoy it at all? Being a god? On an adventure in some amazing place?
بره برزا
Maybe Mother wanted us to have a little fun.
برزا
Everything we've seen and done. Maybe it was her gift.
بوستر پتروس दीवार का पगा गार्ड्स दरत का दीवार तो का wow oh kia mana gaya what the चल what the hell ini kita harus kecil nanti دو شقیقو Anga sarsa pida क्या हो आई लानत बेस
I'll find more arrows next time if you give the word.
ఓని కొట్టేంత గుడిప్ గుడిప్ పలుకుతో వచ్చేది కొబ్బరిని ఏమం చు డేమేజ్ देगा ये आवाज ही एक कर डैमेज है बिल्कुल गेस्टर डैमेज देगा वो जंजीर वो सिर्फ जाला बोरो बेरिन जाला कुछ हम जंजीर पार
You know,
है
for someone so loved,
सबने
Tyr
बच्चा
sure was paranoid.
Aye.
बेरे
Thanks to
वो
Odin.
बोर रखने
For good reason.
ओके ठीक है नहीं बोरो ये होना है इधर कुछ मात का तो का शेर भी
The road stuff.
हाँ लगा पूरा जाला
What's going on?
Trap.
Father!
अले से
Boy, get out of here.
Father! How do we get you out?
Pull chains on the wall.
But there are three of them. What do I do?
मामा
Atreus, focus. You can do this.
Please hurry. I don't know yet if I can drown.
Okay, think. Hati's the silver one. He hunts them. Skull's gold and he chases the sun. For Ragnarok to happen, they have to eat them. But these are out of order.
Good boy.
So the moon goes on the left, sun on the right. With Midgard in the middle.
ما
which one do I
سمت
pull?
چپ خورشید وسط ما باید به سمت چپم
The right, boy. Pull the right.
Gotta get them in order. Moon left, sun right. Gotta get them in order. Moon.
The
और
left.
मून पे जाला बनी सिनेमा
Moon on the left, sun on the right. Midgard in the middle.
सन पे जाला
Middle, quickly.
तो पे वसतम ओ कोई हंसते
Right.
Moon,
अक्सर
Midgard,
स्वान है
sun.
वो
Moon,
Middle, quickly.
برو وسط وبيا بوتا وتمام يا مزي مون مدقار صان يلا خيرك
Well, can't drown. Guess that's something.
هوب هوب هوب
We're not stopping! Wait! What's that big change for? Father, above you!
بخيال باز وار ليفل بعديه ترابين ये तले खाने अव्वली रात को खाने दोवमी आज बोर्ड दा पिदा है
Boy, you have to stop that chain.
How?
I do not
जीरो पर
know.
निकल जाए छोटो सी नजर आने
Wait, I know what to do.
और तो जाने को रुक जा
There's no other way!
मैंने आवाज ये नहीं में उधर
It's not working! That should have worked!
एक्शन लौट गया लगता है بالاخره.
I know. The road's free. I think we did it.
بریم جالا.
Let's go see what Tyr's got for us.
No, raised protection unit. It rubbed off. What should we do? There it is. We've got it.
چاقونی.
Boy,
یک چاقوش نداتی.
on the day you were born,
روزی که تو به دنیا آمد که من دو دانه چاقو هر کتا
one for
بشی.
my own, and for
یکی
the
من
slab,
وطیو هستم.
one for myself. And when you were ready,
یکی هم برای موقعی که تو آماده بی.
today is that day.
مرچی ما روز.
So I'm a man now. Like you.
We are not men.
ماوشی
We
مرد
are
نه.
more than that.
ما بیشتر از
The responsibility is far greater.
رسپانسیبلیتی مسئولیت ها خیلی بیشتر از
And
آسیبی
you
که
must
شکن
be
هستن.
better than me.
تو باید بهتر از من
Understand?
ببین. متوجه
Say it.
باشی.
I will be better.
من بهتر خواهم بود که
Power of this weapon, any weapon,
قدرت یه سلاح هر سلاحی چه دا چه
but only
غلبا
when tempered
و
by this, by the discipline, the
مخاطبه
self-control of the one who wields it. That is where the true strength of a warrior lies. You must never forget that. Good then.
خب işte man برسرم ये चे बलावती
Blank.
ब्लैंक खाली है उसी अच्छा खाली नहीं
Wait.
شيء نفسه نگاه نمان بگم
Rune,
هیچ
did you see it?
پستنی نه چه
Are you
درد
certain?
I got it. Trust me.
Good.
اوره اوه
Yani doing what more to push there, no? What dream the one and yakke bla kare mo ni te no wote. Oh, whoa! Do me a mo. No.
He was big,
Na what?
but no match for us gods.
Che.
All right.
Wow. Power is okay, so.
Have beaten bigger.
Puny troll.
Yeah. I'm turned around. Which way is the sand bowl back up?
Yine masaya bence o ya. Come che update con i brem. Cosa brem? Dara mi set kona au mingure. Dara seda danna ga yam darat.
We're so close to the end.
Ma usi tak nazdik ke payan chi.
Limnin wine. The island
Sharab
of
limu.
Limnos, near the place of my birth.
शायद जाए कि मैं दुनिया याद करेगा. Oh, better joke next thing शराब जा.
Lemnos.
To a journey's end.
विजय मिशी.
Really?
Joke का बावर ना भी.
Smells like rotten eggs. Is it still good?
बुए एक
Possibly.
देगी यंगा साले में ये तुम्हारा. Ya kocaman var ha. Tekrar hali deli kaçan.
Father, why did you leave your home and come here? Does it have to do with the other gods there?
Gushi to pachi at ke che uti homa loga che
It's just-
ingudir.
You hate the
Adi
gods so
khudaya
much.
tera majbur ko ta.
But Tyr proves that gods can be good. And you're good.
थे
only
का
killed
दमा
those
खुदा
deserving,
जंग ये सरजमीन उसमें शायर रहे कौन शायर रहे आई कि मैं कोश्ते के आत्मा के तो कोश्ते के आत्मा
Ah,
के इतना
but who's worthy enough to judge?
Quiet,
कहने
Hen.
शी
We
थूनी
are. We know
कज़ावत
it.
पे कम
Uh-huh.
इस माँ
Sounding
कहने
more like your da by the moment.
ये अल्लाह दे शबीर ते पेट वित्ते
Ready?
Ready.
आवाज़े
Come.
तेरे
I think I'm gonna like being a god.
कम कम दियो खुशाम का आएंगे के खुदा हैं खब ये पार्ट सकना तामीद काफ़ी है
ویدیو باید طولانی نکنیم. خب اگر طبق معمول اگر मैं वीडियो ताज़े कहने कि मैं वीडियो लाइक करें कमेंट कर लें वास्ते मैं चैनल यूट्यूब सब्सक्राइब करें
Aye.
पेज तीन
Having
वास्ते
learned
को
that
वो
travel
वीडियो
room
है
to
जल्दी क्लियर
Jotunheim,
करें
we can now
तो ने
head back
सही
to the
जगह
gateway
पेजा
on top
मुंबल
of the
करें
peak and put that magic
पहला
chisel to
तवार
good use.
Nobody's getting in our way this time. Come on.